Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn passcode on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, then scroll down and click on privacy and security. Here tap on passcode and touch ID, which is the second option, then click on turn passcode on down below. Then you should enter a passcode, then re-enter it. And as you can see, the passcode has been enabled. If you want to change it, come back to this section and click on change passcode when you need to enter your new passcode again. And you can also turn it off by clicking on the turn passcode off feature or button. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.